Hey guys, welcome back. Today I'm going to show you this matte reverse French tip with glitter, and let's get into the design. I am using one of my favorite fall picks for this fall for 2018, and it's this gorgeous Yes My Condor Can Do from the new OPI Peru collection. It's a gorgeous polish, and I'm also using Getting Groovy. This is from Essie. It's my favorite glitter to use in nail designs. I'm also using my Glisten and Glow top coat. It's my favorite. I'll put a link down below. And I'm also trying out their matte top coat for the very first time, and I love their products, so I'm really excited about it. Okay, so I did 2 coats of Yes My Condor Can Do on all my nails and let that dry. And then I'm going to go ahead and show you how I did the reverse French tip. I'm just going to dip this brush, this is my Winstonia brush. It's a very, very fine detail brush, into my glitter, and I'm just going to paint on a smile down here at the base of the nail. So I like to go up the sides, not completely halfway, but almost halfway up this side, and then I'm going to do it up the other side here. And you don't want to saturate your brush with the entire brush with polish. You just want to get polish on the very tip of it, and that's going to help you get a little better application. Then I'm cleaning it off with acetone in between every time I'm getting new paint on my brush. That just helps it from getting clumpy. So I'm going to paint till it's filled in. You don't want to keep going over it multiple times because it might get a little bit clumpy. If you do need to add a little more, I'd let it dry for a second or a minute and then come back and do it again. Now I'm just using a brush and some acetone to clean off this and make it a real nice crisp line. I'm going to do that all the way along the base of the nail and up along the sides as well. Once that is dry, you want to come in with your Fast Dry top coat. They suggested using this Glisten and Glow before the matte top coat just to get longer lasting wear out of it. So once that has dried, I'm going to come in with the matte top coat, and I'm going over the line of the purple polish into the glitter. You want to make sure that you're overstepping that bound so that you can have it not have a shiny layer underneath, because you'll see that. So make sure to go over just slightly. And that's the final look. I hope you guys like this. It's pretty simple to do, and I hope you'll try it. Thanks. We'll talk to you guys later. Bye.